It has the color code orange, which comes from the inspiration from the corals, which are mainly orange. We have not only worked on a watch, but also on a very specific packaging, which should lead to change things for the better. The packaging contains 30% algae, 30% seaweed, and 70% plastic, which means it's a reduction of oil by 30%. Oris is contributing by buying GPS tags to tag the hammerhead sharks so that we can
brand and the products that Oris develop and also bear our name. So thank you for the association and the support.